Welcome back to Pooja's recipes. I'm going to show you a very simple recipe made with chana dal and gobi. It's very nice, easy to make, and it's really tasty because as like we make chana dal all the time, so if you add gobi or this vegetable makes it very tasty. I have cut this cauliflower, half a cauliflower medium size, into small these florets. This is 1 cup of chana dal which I have soaked for half an hour. These are 3 medium onions finely chopped, 3 tomatoes, 1 big piece of ginger, 1 to 2 green chilies. This is coriander powder, red chili powder, haldi and salt, garam masala and oil. These are the just basic ingredients we all need to make this chana dal with gobi. I've taken this cooker, the small one. I'm going to add this oil, around 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. The flame is on. I'm going to add these onions now. Mix the onions. Keep the flame high. I'm going to roast these onions for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. See these onions, they are roasted now. They are like light to dark brown. They are cooked properly. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add quarter teaspoon of red chili powder to it, and little bit of salt and water, little bit of water, hot water. Make the flame high. I'm going to pressure cook this for 2 minutes just to give it 2 whistles. It's going to give it a very good color, and also the flavor of onions, it comes very nice in the sabji. If you want, you can add, if you want darker, then you can put red chili powder a little bit more. Just 2 whistles and then I'll open and put everything else. See, I've opened this cooker after whistles, 2 whistles. They're cooked properly now. I'm going to just little bit try to mash it with this only, with my karchi. This masala is like very nicely cooked, and in the meanwhile also I have chopped these tomatoes along with this piece of ginger in this chopper. So now in these onions I'm going to add chana dal first. Only dal, not water. After this chana dal I'm going to add these chopped little cauliflower florets. Add out the masalas now. Salt, because make sure that because we have added salt before also, so we have to be careful. Haldi, 1 teaspoon, red chili powder according to your taste, coriander powder 2 teaspoons. And now what we have to do is we have to mix it nicely. Also this 1 green chili chopped, we have to cook this nicely. What we call, we have to roast this all these things together for few minutes on medium low flame. Then we'll add tomatoes to it. See, I've roasted this gobi and dal together for 3 to 4 minutes on high flame. Now I'm finally going to add these tomatoes. These are 3 tomatoes and with 1 big piece of ginger. It's chopped together. Again I'm going to put the flame high and then just cook for 2-3 minutes again, and then we'll pressure cook it again for 2 to 3 whistles. Just mix it well. See how nice it looks. This is very simple but very delicious to eat with rice, with roti also you can enjoy, and it's very. See this, I've cooked these tomatoes also along with this chana dal and everything for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Now I'm going to finally add this water. The water left out from this chana dal, and also I've just put the same water in this jar and added this. Make the flame high. We're just going to give it 2 whistles, and if it is still raw, then we will again put it on a slow flame. I'm just going to close this cooker and let it have 2 whistles. See, I've opened this cooker. This dal and gobi, they are completely cooked. They also, it looks very nice. Color is also really good and smells awesome. Just now what I'm going to do is make the flame low and little bit mash with this masher. Just roughly, just mash it little bit like this. Shouldn't be completely mashed and shouldn't be like completely separate. See, I've mashed this dal and gobi together. The consistency is perfect now. Look, the color is also really good. Now without coriander, every sabji is incomplete. So let me put some coriander leaves and garam masala powder, sprinkle it, and it's ready to serve. Try this recipe because we generally make ghiya chane ki dal or turai chane ki dal. Try this with gobi and you will definitely like it. I'm quickly serving this. See, I've served this dal, gobi chane ki dal. It looks wonderful. Look at the consistency, look at the color. It's delicious also and very healthy also. Dal together with sabji, so it makes a very perfect combination to have with rice or roti. Do try and comment, and definitely please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.